Are you tired of dull, dark, or dry lips stealing your glow? Wish you could have soft, naturally pink lips without relying on chemical-laden products? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing easy, natural tips and remedies to bring back that rosy charm to your lips, all from the comfort of your home. Let's get into it. Ridding your lips of dry skin. The best way to get naturally pink lips is to take care of them through exfoliation. Exfoliate your lips twice a week. Using an exfoliant twice a week is enough to get rid of any buildup of dead skin. You don't need to do this very often on your lips because the skin is sensitive. If you do it too much, you risk leaving your lips raw. Use a hydrating lip balm before you exfoliate. Apply a plain lip balm to your lips so you aren't rubbing the exfoliant on dry, chapped lips. If you don't have a lip balm, use a little coconut oil or olive oil and rub that over your lips instead. Make sure to completely cover your lips in the balm. Mix together equal parts of honey, coconut oil, and brown sugar for a homemade scrub. For a single batch, use 0.25 teaspoons honey, 0.25 teaspoons coconut oil, and 0.25 teaspoons brown sugar. Stir the ingredients with a small spoon until they are thoroughly combined. Use a commercial scrub for ease and hydration. If you don't feel like making your own lip scrub, you'll find plenty of options at your local drugstore and big box store. Opt for one that has hydrating ingredients, like coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, or honey. Find lip scrubs near the lipsticks and lip balms. Hydrating your lips. Hydrate your body to keep your lips plump and pink. Dry lips can lead to discoloration and dry skin, not the naturally pink look you want. Staying hydrated will help your lips stay hydrated too. Drink water when you're thirsty, making sure your urine comes out clear. The darker your urine, the more dehydrated you are. Try drinking sparkling water or water with cucumbers, strawberries, or orange slices in it to make it more refreshing. Stop licking your lips to keep them hydrated. While it seems contradictory, licking your lips can actually dry them out, leading to flaky, chapped lips and occasional discoloration. When you catch yourself licking your lips, stop. Reach for your hydrating lip balm instead. Set up a humidifier when the air is dry. A humidifier will help particularly in the winter, when the air is cold enough outside to keep the humidity low in your home, particularly with the heater going. Running a humidifier in your room through the night will help your lips and skin stay hydrated. Protect your lips while you wash your face. If you use a facial cleanser, the acids in it can dry out your lips. Put on a layer of lip balm, beeswax, or petroleum jelly before you scrub your face down, and your lips won't get as dried out. Skip salty and spicy foods for a little while. These foods can dry out your lips, leading to flaky and chapped skin. If you do eat these foods, try to put them directly in your mouth so you don't get as much on your lips. Apply a lip moisturizer in the morning with sunscreen. Make sure the sunscreen is SPF 15 or higher. The moisturizer will provide hydration while protecting your lips from the sun. The sun can damage your lips over time, leading to dark spots. Rub a small piece of raw beet on your lips to stain them light pink. You can also use beet juice mixed with a few drops of lemon juice as a natural lip stain. Store it in the fridge for 1 to 2 weeks. Seal the color with a layer of almond, olive, or coconut oil. That's all for today. If you want naturally pink lips, consistency is key.